Welcome to Common Man Cocktails. Our channel is here to simplify the art of the craft cocktail. So if you were at the Mai Kai right now and you ordered this drink, it would come in a custom Mai Kai tiki barrel. We do that by giving you new cocktail ideas, some seasonal recipes to consider. This is gonna take forever. Pumpkin purees. I don't know if double straining is the right way to go. And probably a few laughs along the way. Wow, it's like you've been drinking juice of the elder toad. Oh no, there's a knife over there too. You can subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, that way you receive updates every time we release a new video, which is typically going to be around 7 p.m. Eastern Time on Thursdays. Subscribers are going to learn along with us as we explore different cocktail tastes, flavor profiles.
You would drink that?
Probably more.
You would drink that whole thing?
Oh yeah, no problem.
My bullshit meter just went boop, 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 boop.
Mainly because we taste each drink we make and tell you what we think. This is like a train, like punching you in the face.
Like that's how to like lay your shit out.
You love the train, don't you?
Woo woo boom! We might introduce to you some brand new spirits through our reviews and probably some new bar accessories. All while keeping it light and casual. Ooh, clear ice! Stay tuned to see what just happened. While our channel is typically focused more on those home bartender mixologists, today we're going to show you the most essential bar tools that you need to begin your life as a home cocktail mixologist. If you're a bartender in the professional setting, you're probably going to find some great ideas and some great recipes to throw on your menu. You might get some history lessons. Born in 1907, he revolutionized the cocktail industry completely different. He helped create the Polynesian pop tiki culture. Okay, you're going to get some history lessons. And in some months, we might drill down on specific spirits. Today we're making the Dr. Funk, our first tiki of Tiki Month. Stay tuned to watch us make this beautiful little recipe. Or an entire cocktail recipe genre, like tiki. And with almost 3,000 videos in our back archive, there's something for everybody. There's thousands of hours of cocktail recipes at your fingertips. And all of our favorite recipes going to our online cocktail database at recipe.awesomedrinks.com. So watch the videos, bookmark your favorite recipes, and make them for friends and family. What else could you possibly need? You should subscribe now. Below, you're going to find a link to our Bartender Starter Kit. That way you can get started making drinks today. Well, when it arrives. Hit up the sidebar for a couple of our most useful cocktail playlists. That way you can hit the ground running, starting right now. We're teaching you how to drink.